Good morning, I'm Srikant Verma, and I'm going to explain about the infix and postfix expression in stack. Now let's start the program. As defines size as 15 stack, and as includes ctype.h, it is the header file which declares the input and output statements. And here I have to declare the function, so a char s of size and int top equals -1. And here I have used push operation, so push a char element and s of plus top equals to element. And here I have used the pop operation, so char pop and return s of top minus. And I have to initialize the functions for precedence, so in pr char as element, and I use the switch case and a variable called element. Case as return 0, case open bracket is return 1, and case plus and case minus as return 2, and the case star and case divide as return 3. And main, it is the main function of this program. So char infix as 15, postfix as 50, and ch and element int I equal to 0, k equal to 0. And here I have to read and print the infix expression. So printf /n read the infix expression /n, and scanf %s and infix, and push and slash. And here I've used a while loop and if else if statement. So while ch equals to infix I plus plus equal to /0, and if ch equal to open bracket, then push ch. Else if it is a number, then ch postfix of k plus plus equal to ch. Else if ch equal to close bracket, then while s of top equal to open bracket, then postfix of k plus plus equal to pop, then element equals to pop. Then else while pr s of top it is greater than or equal to pr ch, then postfix of k plus plus equal to pop, and push ch. Then while s of top equal to hash, then postfix of k plus plus equal to pop. Then here I have to make that postfix as a valid string, so postfix of k equal to /0, and printf /n a given infix expression as a %s, and postfix expression as %s /n, infix and postfix. So now let's see the output. Read the infix expression. So my infix expression is a plus b minus c and star d, and my postfix expression is ab plus cd star minus. So thank you.